Welcome to Lena Love, where Lena does all the stuff Lena loves.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Lena Love, and I got a little story to tell you. Basically, I needed a new place to stay, and in a hurry. This is a great place, but when I first moved in, it was a nightmare. A disaster even, or what I like to call the messiest move ever. But let's start back from the beginning, because I don't think y'all quite understand. Ooh, doggy. So I'll go ahead and let y'all in on where I went wrong. Yeah, that whole moving in a hurry thing really set me back, because on moving day, I pretty much just chucked everything in my car, hit the gas, and never looked back. And that's why my house ended up looking like this when I moved. See, told y'all it was a mess. So I'm just showing y'all around the house today, and each video after this will be of me decorating a different room until it's all done. As y'all can see, it is stuff every which way. I feel like it's gonna take me forever to go through all these boxes and clean everything up and organize everything. Look at all this stuff, y'all. So this is the room that I'm going to be setting up as my gym. There's some of everything in here too. Here's some paintings that my dad painted. Now y'all, it ain't that bad. Just know it's not going to look like that for long. Here's my son's room, and here's my office. It's some of everything in here too, and I got to get this together because it's Saturday now, and I have to go to work on Monday. And guys, before I show you guys the master bedroom, just don't judge me, okay? Now I know what you're thinking. Why is there a camera tripod pointing at an air mattress? Don't judge me, okay? Actually, I didn't want to bring anything into these rooms until I get the carpet clean. The carpet was clean when I moved in, but it has such a strong perfume smell that I think I'm actually going to be deodorizing the carpet. It literally smells like a garden of flowers in here, and it's so overpowering. This tripod is literally only here because I'm going to be filming in this room when I get back. And as far as the air mattress goes, I actually don't have a mattress right now. I have a bed frame that I just bought yesterday, and I actually want to get the things in this house organized before I order the mattress, because whoever delivers the mattress, they're gonna have to bring it through this area, and it's really just not anywhere to bring it at this time. So yeah, I know it's a little bit like people are embarrassed to have to sleep on an air mattress. I mean, y'all can hate all you want because this room is going to be looking nice in about a week.
Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive it, getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight.
So my whole idea for this house is for it to look nice, fresh, airy, and open. I'm going for that whole boho feel. So I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and leave me one of them likes. And be on the lookout for my upcoming videos where I transform this house into a home. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.